Welcome to our Bright Side Physics channel. This is Prasad. I am going to explain about the H.C. Verma solutions, chapter number 2, Physics and Mathematics. Question number 2. That is, let A vector and B vector be the two vectors of magnitude 10 unit each. If they are inclined to the x-axis at an angles 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively, find the resultant. So, to solve this one, we have to represent the question in a diagrammatically. So, I represented like this. Vector A makes 30 degrees with the x-axis, vector B 60 degrees angle with the x-axis. Now, to find the resultant, first of all, we are having an idea between the angle between A and B. What is that? Here. First of all, the angle between A vector and B vector, that is equal to 60 degrees minus 30 degrees is equal to 30 degrees. That is represented by means of theta. Now I want to find the resultant. That formula for resultant, R is equal to square root under A vector magnitude whole square and B vector magnitude whole square into 2 into A vector and B vector magnitude and cos theta. Now substitute the values. A vector and B vector magnitudes are given 10 unit each. So here representing like this, 10 square plus 10 square plus 2 into 10 into 10 into cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees. Now, what happens in this case? Square root over 10 square is nothing but 100 and here 100 plus 200 into cos 30 degrees value, that is root 3 by 2. But I will write in another way that one, 200 cos 30 degrees. Now I will represent in another way. 100 plus 100, 200, here also 200 is there. I will write like this. That is 200 times 1 plus cos 30 degrees. But in trigonometry, we are having one formula. What is that? 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. This is the formula we know. Substitute here. That is square root under 200 into 2 cos square theta by 2. That is nothing but 30 by 2. So the final here, 2 into 200, 400. 400 square root is how much? 20. Cos square, that is nothing but square under root cancel, cos remains. But 30 by 2, what is that? 15 degrees. 20 cos 15 degrees is the resultant. But how much angle it makes with the x-axis, that is required. So to find that, immediately we are having the formula resultant. So that resultant, how the resultant must be? That is in between A and B. It is the resultant. Resultant makes with a vector A, that angle is alpha. Now I will write the alpha value. That is tan alpha is equal to formula B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. This is the formula. Now we are substituting the value of B. Here B 10 sin 30 degrees divided by 10 plus 10 into cos 30 degrees. So here 10 into 1 by 2 divided by 10 plus 10 into root 3 by 2. Now see this one. Here 10, that is becomes 5 divided by, here this one what happens here? 20 plus 10 root 3 into 2. Now what happens here? 10 divided by, here 10 common, 2 plus root 3. 10 cancel, 1 divided by 2 plus 1.732. So 1 divided by 3.1732. 3.732. Now the final answer is 0.26795. So tan alpha is equal to this one. Now what is this one here? Alpha is equal to tan inverse 0.26795. So alpha is equal to, what is this angle? 15 degrees. So that means this angle is equal to 15 degrees. But what we required here? Resultant R vector makes an angle with x-axis is, this is 15. What about this one? 30. So that means what is the answer here? 15 degrees plus 30 degrees. The final answer is 45 degrees. The resultant makes an angle with x-axis is 45 degrees. This is the solution for question number 2. Those who are watching my channel for the first time, like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.